keittiö Kuopio, Asemakatu 20, Kuopio staircase. B.
There's the gated elevator here.
Yeah.
It's very small.
Yeah.
But in 2006, Nivankaye 4301. This texture of the cab is very strange.
Yeah.
But generic.
Yeah.
I would have wanted to see the original elevator.
Same here.
But it wasn't gated.
It's not so bad for practice.
Well, yeah. It's still very bad.
Yeah. Kuopiossa 320 kilograms.
Is this our last elevator here?
Probably, yeah.
Are we gonna go out now? Because it's practice.
No, we can, because we have time and all buildings are locked up here.
And we hardly got in here. We have to wait like 5 minutes pressing on the summers that way.
Yeah.
Which is not illegal in Finland.
Yeah. Inspected and maintained by Otis, so nowadays scrap this.
It might look like that the doors are 4-speed doors, even though they are 3. Bad replacement.
Yeah.
I should have chosen Kenny Maxi Space because you will get more space.
Yeah.
As you can see, we also have a shaft. And then they put the floor indicator and the call panel in different place.
That's